Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CISC Topper Classes. Today we are going to discuss chapter 19 Coordinate Geometry exercise 19.2 question number 1 to 7 of M.L.aggarwal class 9 mathematics. So let us start solving this exercise here in this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Here we are going to solve exercise 19.2 first question. We have to draw the graph of the following linear equation. So we can write this linear equation as y is equal to minus 3 minus 2x. So this is an independent variable x and y is an dependent variable. For that we can find the values for x. We will put the value of x here and we will find the value of y so that we will get the coordinates of these lines here. So firstly we have put 0, so we are getting 0 comma minus 3 as the coordinate, and here if we put 1 here, this will be minus 5. Y is equal to minus 5, so 1 comma minus 5 is one coordinate, and if we put minus 1 here, this will be minus 1. Y is equal to minus 1, so this is one coordinate. And from that if we draw a line, we will get the uh, linear equation here, 2x plus y plus 3 equal to 0 here. So this is the solution of question number 1 first part. Here we are going to solve question number first second part, x minus 5y minus 4. We have to draw the graph of this linear equation. So we can write it as x is equal to 5y plus 4. So this is here independent variable and this is here dependent variable. So if we put the value 0 here, this will be 4. The value of x will be 4, and if we put minus 1, this will be value of x will be minus 1, and if we put minus 2 in the value of y, this will be minus 6 here. So if we draw these coordinates here, we will get these points. 4 comma 0 we will get here, and minus 1 comma minus 1 we will point here, and 6 minus 6 comma minus 2 will be here. And this is the straight line which is the graph of this linear equation. So this is the solution of question number 1 second part. Now let us solve here question number 2. Draw the graph of 3y equal to 12 minus 2x. Take 2 centimeter equal to 1 unit on both axes. So if we take 2 centimeter as 1 unit on both the axes, then 3y is equal to 12 minus 2x, and we can write y as 12 minus 2x divided by 3. So if we put the value here of x, then we will get the value of y. So if we put 0 here, or 3 and 6, we will get the coordinates here, 4, 4 and 2 and 0. So this will be 0 comma 4, 3 comma 2, 6 comma 0. We have pointed here all the points, and if we draw a straight line here, this line is the graph of this linear equation. So this is the solution of question number 2, and this is the graph drawn. Now let us solve here question number 3. We have to draw the graph of this 5x plus 6y minus 30 equal to 0 and use it to find the area of the triangle formed by the line and the coordinate axis. So if we want to find the value of all the coordinates, we will firstly convert it into dependent and independent variables. So x is here dependent variable and y is independent variable. We will put the value of y, so we will get the value of x here, and from that we can point the coordinates in this line. So these are the points here. If we put 0 here, it will be 6, and if we put 4, this will be 1.25, then 0. We have marked all these coordinates here in this, and we have joined this line. We are getting this line. So this is the graph of this linear equation. Now we have to find the area of the triangle formed by the line and the coordinate axis. So if we want to write this, we can write area of triangle here as half base into height, which is made by this line. Because this forms a right angle triangle, so it will be half base into height. Base, we can find the units here. So base has 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 units here. So base will be 6 and height will be here 5. This is the coordinate of height, so this will be 5 units. We will cancel out this, means 15 square units is the area of triangle in this question. So this is the final answer of question number 3. Let us solve your question number 4. We have to draw the graph of 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0 and use it to find the area of the triangle formed by the line and the coordinate axis. So if we draw here, this is the equation here. We can write as x is equal to 3y minus 12 by 4. If we put the value y is equal to 0, x we will get as minus 3, and if we put the value y as 2, x will be minus 1.5. And here if we put y is equal to 4, we will get x as 0. So here when we have x as minus 3, y will be, if we put y is 0, sorry, we will get minus 3, and if we put 2, this will be minus 1.5 on calculating, and if we put 4, this will be 0. And here we have mark these all coordinates and then drawn a line. This is only the equation of this linear equation. This is only the graph of this linear equation. And now we have to find the area of this triangle formed here by this line. So here we have base as 3 units and height as 4 units. So in this area of triangle, we will put the value 1 by 2 into 3 into 4. So here we will get 6 square units as the final answer here in this question. So this is the final solution of question number 4. And this is the answer of this question. Let us solve your question number 5. We have to draw the graph of the equation y is equal to 3x minus 4, and we have to find graphically the value of y when x is equal to minus 1 and the value of x when y is equal to 5. So here if we put the value of x, we will get the value of y. So let this be x and this be y. So here we have drawn. If we put the value of x as 0, we will get here minus 4. And if we put the value of x as 1, this will be 3 minus 4 will be minus 1. And if we put here 2, this will be uh, 2 here. Y is equal to 2. And here if we draw the graph of this line here, then this will be 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here this is negative side of x-axis, so this will be minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Negative y-axis minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. We are letting this graph here. You can draw this in the graph paper also. So by taking 1 unit here. So if we take here 0, comma minus 4 as coordinate. So this will be somewhere here. This is 0, comma minus 4. And if we draw 1 comma minus 1, this will be somewhere here. So this is 1 comma minus 1 and 2 comma 2 will be somewhere here. So this is 2 comma 2. If we draw in this a straight line, somewhat like this we will draw. So this is the line here if we draw. And this with this we can write y is equal to 3x minus 4. So this is the graph of this linear equation. Now we have to find the value of y graphically. If we put here x, so if we want to write in this line only, so somewhere in 7, like this, if we let 6 minus 7, so if we write here, this will be on 7. And we will, when we will verify by putting in y, we will get minus 1 into 3 will be minus 3, minus 3, minus 4 will be minus 7. So in this, y will be in the first part, it will be minus 7 graphically also, and we have verified also. In the second part, the value of x, if we have to find when y is equal to 5. So we can put the value here also, and graphically we can also find if y is equal to 5. Somewhere like this, if we draw here, this will be somewhere 5 will be 3 here. Somewhere in 3 it will be pointing, because if we verify also in this also, we have to verify because this is very important. Otherwise we will, because I'm not drawing in the graph paper, so it can be wrong also. So I'm just verifying. You can draw it on graph paper, then it will be very correct. So from here we will get x as 3. So this is the value of x in the first part, and this is the value of y in the first and second part. So here is the solution of question number 5. Let us solve your question number 6. We have to find the graph of a linear equation in x and y passes through 4, comma 0 and 0, comma 3. Then find the value of k if the graph passes through k, comma 1.5. So if we draw a line, these are the coordinates of point here. So 4, comma 0 and 0, comma 3. So if we join this line here like this, if we join here, so this is the line. And if you want to find a point k comma 1.5, so this will lie somewhere here. 1.5 will be here, y 1.5 will be here, and k will be sorry, this will be somewhat here. This is the point here. So if we draw the line from that, this will be true. So from that we can write, because if we draw here this point somewhere here, it will lie, means this is the point. So k comma 1.5, from there we can write. And if we want to find the value of k, this will be, k will be 2. K is because x here, so k is equal to x. So this is the answer of this question here. And this is the solution of question number 6. Let us solve your question number 7. We have to use the table alongside to draw the graph of a straight line. Find graphically the values of A and B. So if we draw here, 1 comma minus 2 will be here, somewhere here, and 2 comma B we are putting in the line here. So this will be somewhat like this. And if we want to draw here minus A comma minus 5, so this will be somewhere here. Now if we want to find the value of A and B graphically, we will see the line here which is joining 3 comma 4 and 1 comma minus 2, in which point 2 lies and point minus 5 lies. So from that we can write A is clearly 0, and value of x will be 0, and in this part B will be minus 1 here, or sorry 1 it is, because it is the positive side of x-axis only. So this is B is equal to 1, A is equal to 0 is the final answer in this question. This is only we have to find in the question number 7. This is the last part of exercise 19.2. If you have any doubt, you can ask your queries on comment box. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.